Did you know the average person spends over $170 on Father's Day gifts? That's wild. But today, I'm challenging myself to celebrate Dad with just $20. Can thoughtful gifts really be that affordable? Let's find out. Father's Day isn't about how much you spend. It's about showing up, being thoughtful, and maybe adding a little surprise he didn't expect. So whether you've got a tight budget or just want to shop smart, I've rounded up some tech-savvy and practical gifts from Slanket that dads actually want. And yes, many are under $50. We all want to give dad something meaningful, but between rent, bills, and life, spending a ton isn't always realistic. That's where Slanket comes in. They're all about affordable tech, fast shipping, and super easy returns, so you don't have to stress. Let's be real, buying socks again? Nope. But a Bluetooth speaker that doubles as a party box for backyard BBQs? That's a win. Looking for something small but powerful? Try these portable speakers from Slanket, perfect for podcasts, playlists, and dad's garage jams. For the dad who walks more than he talks, these smartwatches track steps, heart rate, even sleep, all under $25. If your dad's into fitness or just wants to stay on top of his health, check out these super affordable smartwatches as well. One of the most surprising gifts? One that helps dad sleep better. Meet the infrared anti-snore wristband, budget-friendly, surprisingly thoughtful, and shows you actually care about his rest. If your dad's car is his second home, these gadgets will feel like upgrades. These are practical, useful, and totally gift-worthy. For dads who love their castle, smart gadgets that keep things connected. These are splurge-worthy, but great if you're teaming up with siblings or going big this year. So yeah, you can totally crush Father's Day without blowing your budget. Slanket made this easy with a mix of affordable tech, great service, and gifts dad won't toss in a drawer. Drop your budget-friendly gift ideas in the comments. I'd love to see what you're giving your dad this year. And if you want to check out these gifts, just hit the link in the description or head over to Slanket.com. You can even shop from their app. Super easy.